Fighting ke friendsong sungtini onek dinni pore nailenya sini job notification friendsong ani nuna kuno problem ton bagai angnong thani job notification hundi jikunu class hundi tu malia am bagai nagar sanda nong no inka sungtini nailainai sini obor man inka onek balukha sini 22 tarik October romani sini last botai bisi karika sini 25 November jora friendsong last happen tai 10 din hai moton সময় tong khobla abun bagai ang nong notification wane amongka SSC staff selection commission BA pass ba graduate level ni bagai kasung combined graduate level examination marwo ar higher secondary combined higher secondary level ni examination marwo tai Majiming pass rong bagai ingke multitasking hindi SSC GD hindi constable au hairok exam ngo among ke sini combined graduate level notification nong baluka sini 22 October nong ka friendsong bi last date tongo naji 25 November bi last date friendsong payment khajangni last date ingka 27 November friendsong SC rokuno finanya sini general au herok nganga sing extra fee nango sini ST SC au herok kuno fee nangya au bagai apply khaide exam system nebo tier 1 tier 2 tier 3 exam nai sini tier 1 exam ne amongka 2 March 2020 থেকে 11 March 2020 obisingo exam solinai after tier 2 ba tier 3 nganga sini exam nai 22 June 2020 to 25 June 2020 bisingo exam ungnai friendsong o jagawa sini boys tongnai friendsong boys ngangke sing paitiri jorotiri manai kaisa post tongo group B post abongka 37 jorotiri manai friendsong jara paitiri joronor available post tongnai o jagawa kuno exam fee nangya friendsong apply khadi staff selection commission central government ni job obo sung proti bochor no sini staff selection commission tui job langjago ingenor obo no apply khadi apply khainani gobangma video mana YouTube thang genor nai khalimano haike sung jodin agi sini staff selection commission ba SSC madame sung kunu job apply khai to hanke registration ba ID boino sung apply ma khainai sung tai katal khai registration khaimenia friendsong norok jodin te saimana sung comment khadi tai o video nugui norok ni kisa samgona hanke nor like khadi tai comment khaina ta public friendsong hanke norok puskango bomti video nang amtirok norok comment khaina khaimana friendsong ketin baga sunno te isha jotono hai hambai